Unit 34, at the chemist's pharmacy.
Can I help you, madam?
Good morning. I want a small box of cotton wool and 2 spools of adhesive tape, a wide spool and a narrow one.
How wide and how narrow, madam?
Well, let's say 1 spool 1 inch wide and the other 3 inches wide.
White or transparent?
Transparent, please.
Is that all, madam?
I also want a bottle of peroxide and some iodine.
Thank you, madam. Please pay at the desk while I make the parcel.
Where do I pay?
The cashier is over there. Thank you, ma'am.
At the chemist's pharmacy.
The chemist.
Iodine,
Peroxide.
medicine,
Pill.
tablet,
Cotton wool.
adhesive tape,
Alcohol.
pomade.
Ether.